Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Some horse racing news now. Following a weight discrepancy surrounding Jockey Paul Francis, the Jamaica Racing Commission, JRC, has disqualified a helicopter who had won the fourth event on the 10-race program at Caymanas Park on December 2. Helicopter was also left unplaced in the event. The JRC said it convened an investigation into the matter after receiving a report from the stewards for the day's program. The stewards reported that having cleared the race, they were subsequently advised by the clerk of the scales that Francis, who rode helicopter to victory in the fourth event, weighed out at 54.9 kilograms, but weighed in after the race at 51.9 kilos, 3 kilos or 7 pounds less than his original weight. The JRC says after reviewing the evidence presented, including written reports from the clerk of the scales, the stewards panel on the day in question, and submissions made by the JRC's director of racing, the decision was taken to disqualify helicopter and place the 6-year-old bay gelding out of the race. Chairman of the Jamaica Racing Commission, Clovis Metcalf, told TVJ Sports that there were no problems with the scales on the race day in question.
Untoward concerning the scales on the day, as confirmed from the checklist listing of compliance provided by the promoters prior to each race day.
Metcalf was also asked why the race was declared official and dividends paid on helicopter.
The stewards declared the race official after being advised, as is the process, by the clerk of the course. Subsequently, the clerk of the scales and the commission's roving steward visited the steward's room and advised that they had indicated by signal to the clerk of the course that there was an issue at the scales where Jockey Francis, in the presence of the trainer, weighed in 3 kilograms lower than his official weight. Having already cleared the race, it was too late to reverse the decision, and the stewards referred the matter to the Board of Commission.
TVJ Sports understands that Francis will be questioned by the stewards regarding the matter, despite not seeing anything untoward by the rider. And three-time Jamaican champion jockey Anthony Thomas continued his good form at Gulfstream Park in Florida by riding winners on back-to-back race days over the weekend. Thomas won aboard the 6-1 chance Val's Gal, going 5.5 furlongs on the all-weather track in the $22,000 contest for Jamaican trainer Aubrey Mirage in Saturday's third event on the 8-race card. He was again in the winner's enclosure on Sunday after landing the fourth of 10 races astride the 3-1 shot Love Paradox at 3-1 for another Jamaican trainer, Rowan Crichton. The race was a maiden claiming contest over 5 furlongs on the all-weather track with a purse of $22,000.
Up on the outside, Tashima, down at the rail, J.J. Monet. Off the turn and the stretch drive, Thomas asked for a kick from Love Paradox. She has the lead, but she's under siege. Outside, here's a late run from True Martini, closing good ground. 16th to go. It's still Love Paradox in front. True Martini is second. Love Paradox almost there. Love Paradox is in front. One look was all it took. Love Paradox and Anthony.
Thomas, who began riding at Gulfstream Park in early August, has so far ridden 7 winners from 67 mounts to go along with 8 second place and 4 third place finishes. The latest season at Gulfstream runs from December 1 to March 31. And that's going to do it then for Primetime Sports Tuesday. Stay with us. We have a recap of the top stories after this break.